66 seconds. That's how long you'd last inside the black hole at the center of our galaxy. Not until you hit something, until time itself runs out, and you would not feel yourself cross. No wall, no jolt, just a sky that starts to close. The center of a black hole is not a place, it's a time. You cannot steer away from it any more than you can steer away from next Tuesday. 66 seconds is not a distance, it's a deadline. The edge of a black hole isn't made of anything. It's just the last place light can still get out. A small one would tear you apart before you reached it. The big ones are gentle. Gravity only tears you apart when it pulls your feet much harder than your head. Across an edge the size of a solar system, that difference is almost nothing. You would pass through the most violent boundary in the universe and feel absolutely nothing. No warning that the clock had started. It already had. This is M87. 6.5 billion suns, and the first black hole we ever photographed. Spread that mass across the space inside it, and you get 0.4 of a kilogram per cubic meter. The air in your room is 3 times heavier. The most extreme object in the universe is, on average, lighter than air, and it still lets nothing out. What traps you isn't the density, it's the shape. And that shape is what puts a clock on you. Out here you can move in any direction you like, but you only get one direction through time, forward. You cannot refuse it. Cross the edge, and those two things trade places. The direction pointing toward the center stops being somewhere you could go. It becomes your future. That's the Tuesday. Not a pit you fall down, a moment you arrive at. And the length of it is already decided. One line of maths, no exceptions, and it depends on exactly one thing: how heavy the black hole is. A black hole 10 times the sun gives you less than 1,000th of a second. Sagittarius A star in our galaxy, 66 seconds. M87, about 28 hours. You can fire your engines. You can burn every gram of fuel you brought. It buys you seconds. That number is the most time physics will sell you at any price. So you have your 66 seconds, and the black hole they're running out inside is not the fixed frozen thing it looks like from here. From outside, a black hole never changes. Same width, same shadow, frozen for billions of years. But the room behind that edge is growing. Right now. Every second. An old black hole no wider than our solar system can hold the volume of 1,000,000 solar systems. And the center itself, nobody knows. Not we haven't looked yet. Our best theory of gravity stops producing numbers there. It produces infinity, which is physics admitting the equation has run out. Everything that ever fell in, every star, everyone who was ever there, is described from outside by 3 numbers: mass, spin, charge. The universe keeps the weight. It throws away the story. Somewhere out there, something is falling, and it has about 66 seconds left. 65, 60,